Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can crop an image into circle, or you can use the pop out effect, right? So as you can see right now we are having a blank template and we are into Canva, right? So first of all we would require a circular frame. Okay, now we will search for woman photos. Okay, for example, let me select this one woman, or you can use any other image, right? For example, this one. And now what we are going to do is we are going to just add this image into this circle, right? Circular frame. Okay, it's done. Now again we are going to use the same image, remove the background, and now you can press Ctrl, right? But before that you just need to send this image to backward, send to back, right? And you need to set this image in such a manner that it coincides. Let me bring it to front again, layer, bring to front. Let me use the transparency feature. Now I am again pressing Ctrl and trying to set this image in such a manner. You need to increase and decrease the size multiple times, right? Because it is not necessary that image sets perfectly fine in a single take, right? It may take time, so need not to worry and keep trying. It's set from the one side, but from the another side it's not set, right? Let me increase the transparency. You can crop the image in such a manner, layer, send to back, and transparency. There is too much difference, right? So need to settle down. Okay, it's done. So in this way you can simply create pop out effect, or you can crop an image into a circle. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.